Hello everyone, I hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome to my channel. After a long period of time, I'm able to make a video because I'm so busy with daily works. As you may know, I'm a wholesaler of FMCG products, also other food products from Turkey. So right now I'm in the warehouse. As you can see, we have a lot of things here. They are the products of our customers, which are being exported out of the Turkey. We have our own product as well here. That is the Naughty Joy chocolate. This is our own product. Also here you can see our tomato pastes. This is also our own product. We produce these and export to all around the world. So I just wanted to inform all those my friends who are interested to import FMCG products from Turkey. So I'm here to help. I'm here to guide them. So whatever you need from Turkey, you just tell me about, and I will let you know about the prices, details, each and everything you want. By the way, we are the official distributor of Milka chocolate in Turkey for export. So in case you need Milka chocolate and any other products, so you can contact me. Thank you so much for your time. We will be in touch. You can search about me in the website about our products, which is 4kglobal.com. Write in the captions. So see you guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.